Hi my dear children, how are you all? Hope you are good. Yes, I am your Indira ma'am. I am your Indira ma'am. Now let us start the class. What is the date today? Today date 13. Which month? February. Year 2021. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Today I am teaching you EVS. EVS means Environmental Science. Today we learn about vegetables. Vegetables are a part of a plant. Come on children. Take out a notebook, EVS notebook. Open. Write down today date 13 to 21. Vegetables. Vegetables are different types. Vegetables are a part of a plant. They are bulb vegetables. Bulb vegetables are usually used to give flavor to soup. For example, salad, scallion, garlic, leek, onion. Salad, scallion, garlic, leek, onion. S-H-A-L-L-O-T. Salad, scallion. S-C-A-L-L-I-O-N. Scallion. Garlic, G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic, G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. Leek, L-E-E-K. Leek. Onion, O-N-I-O-N. Onion. These are bulb vegetables. Next, stem vegetables. Stem vegetables grow above the ground. Stem vegetables grow above the ground. For example, asparagus, A-S-P-A-R-A-G-U-S. Asparagus. Celery, C-E-L-E-R-Y. Celery. Fiddlehead, F-I-D-D-L-E. Fiddle, H-E-A-D. Fiddlehead. Cordon, C-A-R-D-O-N. Cordon. Bamboo shoot, B-A-M-B-O-O-S-H-O-O-T. Bamboo shoot. Chard, C-H-A-R-D. Chard. Fennel, F-E-N-N-E-L. Fennel. These are stem vegetables. Next, flower vegetables. For example, broccoli, B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Artichoke, A-R-T-I-C-H-O-K-E. Artichoke. Cauliflower, C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. Daylily, D-A-Y-L-I-L-Y. Daylily. Squash blossoms. SQUASH. Squash. BLOSSOMS. Blossoms. Squash blossoms. Courgette flowers. COURGETTE. Courgette. FLOWERS. Flowers. Courgette flowers. These are flower vegetables. Next, root vegetables. Root vegetables. Root vegetables grow under the ground. Root vegetables grow under the ground. For example, carrot. 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 Radish. 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 Beetroot. 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 Turnip. 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 These are root vegetables. These are root vegetables. Next, tuber vegetables. Tuber vegetables. Tuber vegetables also grow under the ground. Tuber vegetables also grow under the ground. For example, yam. 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 Taro. 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 Sweet potato. SWEETPOTATO. Sweet potato. Jicama. 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 These are tuber vegetables. Tuber vegetables. Next one, leaf vegetables. Leaf vegetables. These vegetables are used for their leafy part. For example, spinach. 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 Cabbage. 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 Lettuce. 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 Bok choy. BOKCHOY. Bok choy. These are leaf vegetables. These are leaf vegetables. Next one, fruit vegetables. Fruit vegetables. Cucumber. 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 Squash. 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 Tomato. 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 Avocado. 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 Peas. 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 Green beans. GREEN. Green. BEANS. Beans. Green beans. Nuts. 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 These are fruit vegetables. These are fruit vegetables. Come on children, take out a textbook. Level 3. Open page number 116. Vegetables. There is a lot about the vegetables that we don't know. Mr. Broccoli has been generous enough to come to a school and share his secrets. Let us hear him out. Mr. Broccoli, please share your healthy secret with us. I have lots of vitamin. This is broccoli. I have lots of vitamin A and vitamin C in me. Did you know that vitamin A helps to have healthy eyes and healthy skin? It also helps me not to catch cold. Mr. Broccoli, please forgive me, but I have heard that some people don't like you. Yes, I know there are people who don't like me, and it really hurts my feelings. They could at least give broccoli a little try. Sir, what are the wonderful ways to eat broccoli? Oh, broccoli can be eaten raw, with dip, or steamed with shredded cheese on top, or even cooked with chicken. Broccoli is very yummy. Mr. Broccoli, we want to thank you for visiting us today. Let us show Mr. Broccoli how much we like him. We promise to taste and eat more broccoli now. Next page 117. Here one activity is there. After hearing Mr. Broccoli, you might want to tell everyone your vegetable story too. Isn't it? In the given boxes, write or record as asked. Your favorite vegetables. Write down, children, your favorite vegetables. Vegetables I will try now. Favorite food from restaurants. Do this activity, children. This is today homework. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye, children.